right, so let's wrap up this presentation here about LinkedIn with some reminders. First, LinkedIn is not a museum, and this I've been repeating all the time. LinkedIn is an active platform, social professional platform that you have to be there, interacting with other people and sharing your thoughts. Connect, join discussions, like, share, because this is gonna make more people to get to know you. Be professional, always avoid discussions related to politics or related to religion and things like that. Just avoid totally. Keep your profile up to date. If in case you're a newcomer to Canada, you just arrived, update that you have finished your last job back in your country, so people will understand that you are living here now and you are not working in India or in China or in Brazil or whatever. Another thing that I would like to suggest you is that once you get your profile done, you can then start connecting to people. But if you are using the free version of LinkedIn, you're going to notice that the free version has some limitations. For example, when you are searching for people, there is a cap. After some few searches that you do, LinkedIn is going to start to limit the people that the amount of people that you can see, the profiles that you can see. So what I suggest to people is that once you get your profile done, what you can do is you can register for the LinkedIn trial. You have to have a credit card, but they are not going to charge you for the first month. So what you can do is you can use the LinkedIn Premium for 1 month, connect to people, use all the features that the LinkedIn Premium will provide to you. And if you need to know what are those features, please check on LinkedIn's website and see what the features that you're gonna get from the premium version of LinkedIn. And then just set up a reminder. So once your LinkedIn is about to renew that, or to charge you for the trial, you go there and cancel the trial. Or you can cancel right away, because the trial is for a month. You can register. Once the trial starts, you can cancel right away the payment, so it's not gonna be automated, like you're not gonna get charged automatically. Another recommendation, very important, download the app, the LinkedIn app, to your phone, because if people are messaging you, if people are reacting to a post that you've done, you are gonna get notifications in your phone, just in case you don't have LinkedIn open in your computer all the time, so you can get notified that people are reaching out to you. And the other thing is the Open to Work badge that you can use in case you are looking for a job. So let's go back here to LinkedIn just to show you. Here's someone. So Open to Work. So this is someone that is not currently working, so you can do that. Also, if you don't want people to see that you are open to work, let's say that you are working for a company, but the job is horrible, is not in your field, and you're looking for something else, and you still want to notify people that you are open to work. Frames, yeah, there you go. So I can put here, hiring, open to work, and I don't have a frame with open to work, okay? But it's not this that I want to show you, it's something else. Let me see here. Okay, here, open to work, you see? So you can come here and say that you are open to work. Recruiters only will see, so nobody from your organization is going to see that you are open to hear from other opportunities. Here you're going to see the type of jobs that you're looking for, employment specialist in my case, marketing specialist, remote. These are the areas that I'm open to. So full-time job, so you can detail everything here. So for people that are using the version of LinkedIn for hiring, for recruiters, they will see all these details about you in case you have this available in your profile. All right, so this is the end of our workshop. Hopefully you got some valuable information here. Just a few things to share with you. You never leave where you are if you haven't determined where you would rather be. So this has to do with perception and personal brand. How do you want people to see you, right? So once you determine this, you can start working in your profile picture, in your headline, in the content that you're bringing to the discussions on LinkedIn. So this has to do to build your brand. And the other thing too is this, that I think it's amazing quote, even though a lot of people have been using this, but this is so true. This is the definition of luck. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Going back to that posting from Peter Hawkins, it's exactly what it is. What was the opportunity there? Peter Hawkins, the owner of a company, was checking your profile, but you were not prepared. So you had the opportunity, but you're not prepared, so you screw up. So our goal here is to be prepared to the opportunity when it comes. And that's why I strongly recommend you to only start connecting to people once you have your profile well built. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to me. My email is cmartins@lutherwood.ca, and you also can visit our website and check our online resources there at lutherwood.ca. Thank you very much for watching this workshop, and again, hopefully it was helpful for you. Best of luck in your job searching. Bye bye.